Supers! We're at Super Crew Farms! We're gonna have so much fun today! There's a report that there's a mower on fire! We need to go put it out, Super Kid! Let's go! Whoa! Look! It's the fire extinguisher! Okay, Supers, are you ready to put the fire out?
Yes!
Okay, come on, Super Kid, let's go!
Hurry, Supers! I can see the mower on fire!
Okay, not too close. Good job. Okay, get the fire extinguisher. Come on. Let's put it out. Ah! Whoa! Good job. It's almost there. Woohoo! We just ordered a brand new riding mower. You want to go find it, Super Kid? Let's go. Come on, get in your tractor.
Yeah, bring this in here.
Okay, let's go find it in our tractor. Come on.
Get ready to follow the golf cart, Super Kid! Hooray! Great job, Super Kid! The tractor and golf cart are so much fun to ride. Hey, look! What's that?
It's the new riding mower! Whoa! And guess what, Supers? This is a zero-turn mower. It can do circles, and it can go anywhere, any place. Isn't this awesome? Look at these big tires, Supers. This tire is meant to go over big piles of dirt and to help this mower not get stuck. And look over here, Supers. This is how we turn it on. It's a key start right over here. And this will start all the blades. Wow. And here's the gas pedal. Let's go ahead and turn on the mower. Here we go. Start our engines. Whoa! Here we go.
Hold on tight, Super Kid. Safety first, Supers. Always have an adult when using lawnmowers. Wow! You guys are doing such a great job. Can you do mowing circles for me? Yes! Great work, Supers! If you like mowers, give us a thumbs up.
Wow, that was amazing, Super Kid. We love this riding mower. It can go anywhere. Are you ready for the next adventure? We're gonna go on this island in the water. We're gonna mow, weed eat, and blow. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go!
Yay! I'm so excited to use more lawn tools. Okay, Super Kid, let's use your tractor now. Look how fast they are going.
Whoa! Supers, we made it! We brought our tractor and all of our lawn tools are on that island. Are you ready to go use them, Super Kid?
Yes!
Let's go! Come on! Look, Super Kid, we found the mower. Let's take it across the bridge. Come on. Whoa! Don't fall in the water!
Cool! You're mowing on an island. What's that, Supers?
It's the chainsaw! Woohoo! Ah, I got the blower. Let's go ahead and use this.
Hip hooray!
Woohoo! Great job, Super Kid. We're almost done. Uh-oh. What happened to the mower? It got stuck. Uh-oh. Let's use this chainsaw. Perfect. One piece to go. The mower's free. Let's keep working.
Great teamwork, Supers.
Wow, Super Kid, we're doing so good. Look at all this water around us. We're on a little island. This is awesome. Whoa, we made it. That was awesome, Super Kid. We got to use the new riding mower and we got to mow on this island. What a great day. All right, Supers, before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, Supers, stay super. Bye. The grass is tall. What do we do? Get your mowers and gas tanks too. Don't forget the weed eater. Grab the blower and start your mowers. We love mowing, yes we do. Cutting some grass and bagging it too. Mowers, weed eaters, blowers, let's cut some grass. The grass is tall, what do we do? Get your mowers and gas tanks too. Don't forget the weed eater. Grab the blower and start your mower. We love mowing, yes we do. Cutting some grass and bagging it too. Mowers, weed eaters, blowers, let's cut some grass. We love mowing, yes we do. Cutting some grass and bagging it too. Mowers, weed eaters, blowers.